fire safety has always been a matter of public. Widemount Dynamics Tech, a PolyU startup, has developed the Smart Firefighting Robot, an AI-powered solution designed to help safeguard communities.
It is important to mitigate fire risk in a timely manner. Our firefighting robot performs autonomous patrol, identifies fires, and responds promptly.
Unlike firefighting robots on the market, which have relied on the same technology for nearly 60 years and still require manual remote control, this PolyU innovation offers far greater flexibility during rescue operations.
Equipped with a binocular camera and a deep learning-based fire detection model, our robot combines advanced sensors and AI to accurately identify fires. Its water cannon then adjusts its angle and sprays the appropriate suppression agent to extinguish the fire automatically.
This groundbreaking technology is the result of the dedication of Mr Wang and his PolyU startup team. With the goal set and ideas in place, Rick and his team began building their firefighting robot, turning their entrepreneurial dream into reality. Studying at PolyU gave their project a significant boost, providing the knowledge and resources to accelerate development.
We became one of the first teams in the world to adopt automatic real-time fire position measurement and fire calorimetry technology. We also gained access to a wealth of valuable firefighting data, which was crucial for training our AI. Thanks to these resources, our robot learned how to identify fires in real-world scenarios.
Encouraged by the university, Rick's team actively participated in several international campaigns, earning widespread recognition along the way. The project recently earned the highest score in the Products in Support of Human Security for All category at the Consumer Electronics Show Innovation Awards 2026, winning the prestigious Best of Innovation Award.
This marks another major milestone in our journey of innovation. It validates our vision and motivates us to aim even higher. We aim to leverage this recognition to gain international exposure and engage investors who share our commitment.
As a PolyU startup, Poly Ventures has played a vital role in empowering startups like Widemount Dynamics Tech throughout their journey from idea to impact.
With the support of Poly Ventures, we secured funding through the Microfund Scheme, the Ideation Funding Scheme, and the HKSTP Incubation Program. Additionally, InnoHub as PolyU Shenzhen base provided incubation services, enabling us to explore opportunities in the Chinese mainland market. The support we received went far beyond financial assistance. PolyU KTEO encouraged us to participate in local and international events, such as HKTDC E-Day and the International Exhibition of Inventions in Geneva, which played a major role in helping us gain worldwide recognition.
Embracing the spirit of PolyVenture, the university is fostering an entrepreneurial culture together with Rick and his team, while creating a positive impact that safeguards and benefits society.
We are Widemount Dynamics, PolyVentures.